Are you a beginner and struggling with creating imbalance and proportion on your canvas? So I can give you a little bit of a tip to make your life easier to find your way through all of the detail. Work on a black canvas and paint in your subject with a dry brush and white titanium acrylic paint. This way you can focus on the shape of each part of your painting rather than focusing on all of the detail that can overwhelm you very easily. And then as you proceed with your painting, you can begin to introduce color and focus on the absolute value of the color and also your color scheme. So keep your color palette very limited so that your composition in color don't become too busy. I find sometimes beginners wants to throw all of the colors of the rainbow at their canvas, and this can result in a painting that is far too busy. Lastly, I want to show you how I glaze these white areas that I previously painted with titanium white. I make a thin mixture with glazing medium and water, and this allows me to slowly build up the color and form of my subject until I'm happy. I hope you find this tip useful and that you will try it on your art. If you want to see more of these beginner-friendly tutorials, then remember to follow me and I will show you exactly how. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Bye-bye for now.